enough things tell me data is the best decision I made. Hi, I'm Sowjanya. I was a learner at UpGrad. I'm from Bangalore, so of course I have a degree in engineering, right? But once I found out about data science, there was no looking back. My favorite part about data is finding a gem of an insight hiding in all that information. It's up to me to find it. That's where UpGrad really helped. I was a freelancer in data analytics. My skills were the only thing I had, I had to keep myself updated. If I don't learn, I may not get projects tomorrow, and that kept me up at nights. UpGrad was the answer, touching upon the most important topics in analytics, and the electives are very thoughtful. The career support was a major advantage. I used to get nervous during interviews, but the one-on-one mentorship was of tremendous help. With UpGrad, I never felt like I was in this on my own. My mentor gave me some great pointers during the mock interviews. It really built my confidence. Thanks to UpGrad, I secured a full-time job.